Hello everyone, welcome back to Mama in the Kitchen. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make rotisserie chicken. So I'm going to start off by showing you the ingredients. First, you're going to need 1 teaspoon of tropical sazon, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 2 teaspoons of 7 spice, 2 teaspoons of the Goya adobo all-purpose seasoning, some olive oil, about 2 tablespoons, and then you're going to need 2 medium whole chickens, and you're also going to need 2 glass bottles that we're going to be placing the chickens on. Now you can use any Coke bottles or any type of glass bottle that you have for the chicken. So we've already cleaned the chicken with vinegar and water, and now we're going to go ahead and season it. So we're starting off with the sazon. You're going to be adding half a teaspoon on each chicken, and then we're going to be adding 1 teaspoon of the adobo all-purpose seasoning on each chicken. So each chicken will get 1 teaspoon of the adobo seasoning. And then you're going to do half a teaspoon of black pepper on each chicken, front and back. And then you're also going to do 1 teaspoon of the 7 spice on each chicken. And then we're going to be drizzling it with olive oil, and I'll show you when we do that. This is what the chicken will look like after seasoning it, and now you're just going to go ahead and drizzle some olive oil evenly. You're going to do about a tablespoon on each chicken and just spread it all over. Okay, so after drizzling the olive oil, you're going to go ahead and place it on the bottle. So you're going to fill up your glass bottle with water, and you're just going to place your chicken down like this. And you're going to do the same thing for both chickens. After placing them on the bottle, you're just going to go ahead and sprinkle them with some more 7 spice. You're just going to sprinkle a little bit, probably about a 1/4 teaspoon on each chicken. After sprinkling the chickens with the 7 spice, you're going to go ahead and cover the top with aluminum foil. So you're just going to cut the middle like this, so that way you can place it on top of the bottle and just cover the top part of the chicken. And you're going to do that to both chickens. Now you're just going to be adding 3 cups of hot water to the pan that you're going to be cooking the chickens in. The oven is preheated to 500, and now we're going to go ahead and place our chickens in there, and you're going to cook it on 500 for 30 minutes, and then you're going to decrease the temperature to 400 and cook it for another hour and 30 minutes. This is how your chicken should look like after baking for 2 hours. I went ahead and plated the chicken. This would go great with some baked potatoes or some rice or anything that you would like. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.